Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a luxury red carpet advertisement. Alright, so let's go to my Notion. So here we have our guidance. First, we have to choose a product. Alright, it can be any product. We're going to use Google Gemini as well. So let's choose our product. It can be anything: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or Coke, Fanta, Sprite, or Fruity, anything it can be. This time I'm gonna go with a beauty brand. Let's go with Warda. Alright, Warda logo. And I think this one is fine. Warda, it's a beauty brand. I'm gonna copy the image and go to Google Gemini. Alright, paste the logo, and before that create an image also. So Google Gemini knows that we have to create an image, and go back to Notion and we are gonna copy the image prompt. Alright, let's go and paste, and before sending we have a brand name, right? So let's include this Varda. Okay, what is the Varda Inspiring Beauty? And let's click send. Now how the model is, it can be a Russian model, Indian model, that's totally up to you. You just have to tweak your prompt. Alright, okay, so we have our image now, and oh my god, this looks so pretty. Wow, I love the color, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna download this. Let's download this. This is so pretty. I love the color, man. Really, it's really beautiful. Okay, and if you are not satisfied with the image, then you can click redo. Okay, this is also nice. This time they have put the location in Agra. You can see the Taj Mahal here. It's in India, located in India though. Let's redo. Let's see how the next result is. Okay, so in the meantime, while waiting for the result, let's go to PixVerse. Okay, let's go to PixVerse AI. I'm gonna go with the first one. Alright, and I'm gonna go back to Notion, and we have our video prompt here. So I'm gonna copy, go back to PixVerse and paste and generate. Okay, so in the meantime, let's go to Google Gemini and see how the result is. Actually, there is no much difference though. This is like the first result, and this is the second. Okay, but both is good. I like the second one though, but still. So I hope you guys get the idea. Alright, now let's go to our PixVerse and see. The model is walking gracefully, confident, eye contact. Okay, so this is pretty good. I'm gonna go with this. Alright, but if you are not satisfied, then you can again play with it. Or I would love to try the second image generated from the Google Gemini. And same prompt, guys. Let's click generate. Let's see how the result is. I'm sure there is no much difference in walking, but let's just see how the result is. Okay, I like both actually. This one, the model is walking slowly compared to the previous one. Yeah, this one is walking. Our first video was the model was walking a bit fast, but still it's good. So I really like the second one. Let me know how which one do you like, number one or number two? This is number two. This is and this is the number one. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's how you can create a luxury red carpet advertisement. Alright, for your brand or for any brand you like. Alright, I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching until the very end, then please drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Please do support the channel, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.